For years, men have been told to be the strong one, the powerful one, the ones that don't crack, to hold it all together, to protect, provide, and keep moving no matter what's happening around them and no matter what's happening inside. If we haven't met yet, I'm Brandy, or the Dragonfly Coach, well-being and mindset coach, helping you release emotional baggage, regulate your nervous system, and rediscover calm with confidence. Society taught men that showing emotions was a sign of weakness, and real strength was not showing any emotions or any struggle. Society taught you that if you ask for help, you were weak. Sucker up, buttercup, someone else's favorite expression, man up, and so on. And maybe that's changing a little now, but for many men, that belief still runs deep. And we all know it comes to a higher cost. Because when you've been told to hold everything in, you also learn how to hide your own pain. I work with many men, leaders, but also fathers and partners and colleagues, men that are used to getting on with it, until there is a breaking point where their body says, stop, I'm done, I need a pause. These men, you are available for everyone. If someone asks you for help, you go for it. If someone comes with a problem, you try to fix it. You are always there for everyone else. And you don't want to burden others. On the outside, you seem calm. You seem that you have everything together. Yes, you have occasionally those bursts of anger, but that's okay. You are a man and you can do that. That's powerful. Or so you think. Or so society told you so. And you are reliable and steady. And inside, you're exhausted of carrying too much, of all the responsibilities that are put on you, of sometimes that anger that it doesn't know how to come out in the right way. And it's constant and it's non-stop. As you carried too much for too long without any release. This is where something I really love about my work comes in to help. There are ways to release those emotions without necessarily talking. We all know that most of you don't like talking about emotions. You don't have to sit and tell your story if you don't want to, or find the perfect words. You can simply let your body lead the way. Havening or tapping EFT, emotional freedom technique, help your nervous system calm down naturally. These techniques send a signal to your brain that you are safe, that you are okay now, that it's safe to release whatever those emotions you are holding on. Havening uses gentle touch, either the palms or from shoulders to hands. Touch this releases delta waves, the same waves that you release when you sleep. And those are the most calming brain waves that we generate. The same waves that are telling our body that you're safe now. On the other side, EFT or tapping works with acupressure on different points of the body instead of acupuncture, and it helps to release emotional tension. You don't have to talk, you just have to let your body let go. Getting back to my previous point, emotional honesty isn't about breaking down or oversharing. It's about being truthful to yourself and bringing those thoughts at a conscious level. Something that might sound like, I'm tired, I need a break, I feel pressure, I'm going to take a break, I need help. That's not weakness, that's wisdom. It's a quiet kind of strength that says, I deserve to feel okay too. And if you like to give yourself a little break now, let's do a short exercise together. And you can tap with me and say the words out loud or back in your mind. It's just a moment to connect with yourself. And whatever comes, comes. As I always say, take charge of your well-being and let's go. So start at the back of your hand here and keep tapping and say, even though I've been holding so much inside, I give myself permission to feel. And even though I've learned to be the strong one, I'm open to the idea that real strength can mean being honest too with myself. Top of the head. It's okay to have emotions. Between eyebrows. It's okay to feel. Eyebrow. It's okay not to have it all together. Under the eye. I can let go just a little and still be me. Under the nose. I am safe to feel the way I feel. Under the mouth. I'm only human. Collarbone. And that's enough. Under the arm. And I'm safe to feel. Top of the head. And all is well. And I can take a deep breath and let it all go, just for now. And take a deep breath and let it all out. And just see how you feel and what shifted, if anything it shifted. But you can always take a moment, just a minute, to pause and tap around those points and see how you feel. You will give your mind and your body that necessary pause to ground, to realize that that lion that I keep talking about is not chasing you now. You can let it go just for a moment, just for now. You don't have to carry all alone. And you also don't have to talk to start your healing. These tools, havening and tapping, are quiet ways to let the body release what words can't. Of course, if you prefer to talk, the same tools can be used with a lot of talking, and I can be here to listen to that. So this International Men's Day, maybe just give yourself a moment to pause, not to fix anything or to keep going, just to feel what's real and know that that's okay. Because real strength isn't silence. It's being aware of what's happening inside of you. And if you enjoy this, subscribe to more videos like this that can help you release any emotional baggage that you might hold. All the best.